Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tash, and excuse my appearance. I may be a little too chilled because I want to tell you about this steamer. It's called Steam Inhaler. This is not sponsored. Point noted that I just find little tips and tricks that works for me, and I really want to let you guys know about it. I don't want to keep the secret to myself. So it helps with nasal congestion, sinusitis, if you have asthma, any allergies, if you just want it for aromatherapy, it's perfect. And it comes with two different size heads. They call it masks, but I call it heads because it's like you're changing out different heads. Anyways, so it comes with a smaller one and a larger one, and it's perfect for if you want to feel a little bit more rejuvenated, relaxed, calm, at ease. If you want something that's going to give you more of an aromatherapy feel, if you want to put some eucalyptus oil, lavender, peppermint, whatever you want to infuse into it, and you can use it on your skin or you can just leave it as it diffuses into the atmosphere. I recommend this for anyone out there who is asthmatic like me, and especially now for me, the community that I live in is very dusty because they've been doing construction all throughout the time we've moved in. So when I clean and stuff, that irritates me. I start sneezing, my chest start getting tight, and I start to wonder like and worry like, do I have to go to the hospital? Do I need to be on my nebulizer 24/7? Like, how do I counteract, ranking up bills and getting worse? And this helps me. So don't say I never share anything with you, and the clips ahead will show you how I use it and how I get a glowy, nice, clean skin from using it. Thanks for watching. Don't know, I love to be relaxed, rejuvenated. I love to go to the spa. I love to get me a facial, but due to COVID I haven't been doing it. However, hubby got me this steamer inhaler, and it's perfect for if you have like sinusitis or congested, or you're sick, flu, fever, anything. It helps to make you feel a little bit better. Trust me, it does. So right now I have in my hand the bottom half. I'm gonna put some water in here and let it get to the desired temperature. And this is the cover. I'm gonna close it, and I'm gonna add, so this goes over the bottom, and I'm using this head today. It comes with two different heads. Comes with a small one, and this is a large one. I'm always using this one, so let me try out this one. And I'm just gonna pop it on, let you guys see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna turn it on. And it's gonna take its sweet little time. So in the meantime, I'm gonna wash my face, and I use just a regular schmegular acne control cleanser that I got off Amazon, and I'll see you guys back. Y'all, look at my white eggs trying to come out. Like, don't sleep on this steam. Look at it. All the impurities. I suffer from a lot of discoloration and hyperpigmentation. I love it. And this is gonna last like 15 minutes. Feels so good. And I'm holding it in my hand because I don't want to have to be leaning forward, because my cupboard is my countertop, I should say, is a bit taller than the chair I'm sitting in. And I didn't want to do this in the kitchen. Excuse my eyebrows, y'all. I need to get them done. And my hair, like, what's going on with me? I need a self-care day. I need it. I got work tomorrow, so I need to work on them. Get my hair right. Like, what's going on? You should never ever be ashamed of taking care of yourself, investing time in yourself, making sure that you are good before you treat anybody else. They say to flight attendants and they say to doctors. It applies to not just service workers, but to you, the everyday person in the streets. You know, you working at 9-to-5 shifts, the parents out there, single or not, the students out there in college. Y'all deserve it. Like, this is minor compared to what a lot of people want to attain in life. So hey, if you can't take time for your skin or your health and well-being, like, hey, I got nothing to say. But this feels so delightful. I'm gonna check back in when the process is over. So this is with my face all done. I look like I'm coming out of a sauna or something. But you can see my PG fuzzy and the impurities and my whiteheads, and look at all this. Alright, let me pat my face dry after I cleanse it again. I need to go get these out. But let me cleanse my face and use my baking soda to scrub it with the cleanser and pat it dry, and I'll be right back. So, good old-fashioned baking soda. I have the cleanser on my face, put some on my neck, just massage that into my skin. I'm gonna damp the baking soda and put it on my face like this. This is what it looks like. I don't have the tools to extract anything off my skin, and because I don't want to cause any more dark spots, I am going to wait till I go see my esthetician for her to professionally remove my whiteheads. Alright, I'm gonna wash my face and I'm gonna come back, okay? You feel me? And this is what my skin looks like. And I'm just gonna use this mask It's a clay mask of a. So now that it's dry, I'm gonna wash it off, and when I wash it off, I'm going to moisturize my skin. Feel free to use a rag like I'm using, damp it or with warm water, and just use it to help remove the product, because to be honest, sometimes it's very hard to, sometimes you be washing, still see it on it there. So use a rag or piece of paper towel or a wipes to help you remove it. And when you're all done, I think I'm all done, I'm just gonna go in with my good old faithful Cetaphil and a couple droplets of my Natural dark spot corrector. It's good for hyperpigmentation and for sunspots, and I'm just gonna use a couple dabs, and that will do. I'm just gonna moisturize this face and neck. You can neglect your neck. I hope you saw in the clips that I did put the mask on my neck, because my neck is a part of my body. Yes, I wash my neck in the shower, but I still need to take care of it. And that's how I get my glow and go on with my day. And even though my skin is not extracted, you can see like how clear it is and how bright and radiant I look. Like, only thing I need to do is do my hair and my eyebrows. But I'm a real girl and this is real life, and my hair is not always done, and sometimes I just want to chill and be relaxed and don't have to keep up with society standards. So that's what I'm doing. So thanks for watching this video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.